Hello everyone, I'm Deborah, not Deborah, but Deborah, please remember that. And this is the first time I'm doing video in TechNip. So today I'm gonna introduce you the brand new 5G smartphone, which is the Huawei Nova 7 5G. So back in February, Huawei came out with the Huawei Nova 7i, and last month, which is June, Huawei came out with the Huawei Nova 7 SE. So what's the difference between Nova 7 5G and the other two phones? Let me tell you about that. The Huawei Nova 7 5G come with two different colors, which is the Midsummer Purple and the Space Silver. And I'm holding the Midsummer Purple. Isn't it stunning and beautiful? But personally, I still prefer the silver one. Anyway, this waffle thin body measure just 7.96 mm, only weight 180 grams. It's slightly lighter than 7i and 7 SE. And you see, it fit my palm very perfect. As for the display, the Huawei Nova 7 5G come with a 6.53-inch OLED punch-hole full-view display with 1080p. It is equipped with the Kirin 9855G chipset and it supports few sensors, for example, proximity sensor or the ambient light sensor. Besides that, Huawei Nova 7 5G is certified with the TUV right lens. Therefore, you can spend longer time on the phone or you can check me out as long as you want. As for the camera, the Huawei Nova 7 equipped with the AI quad camera, which is 64 megapixel main camera, 8 megapixel telephoto lens, 8 megapixel ultra wide angle lens, and 2 megapixel macro lens. One of the features that I like the most is the durable mode because it can record the back and myself at the same time it supports 4K resolution. Oh yeah, there's one more feature I forgot to tell you that you have to know about that is the phone can go up to 20 times digital zoom. That means I can talk the guy across the road. As for the front camera, it comes with the 32 megapixel sensor that feature an AI-powered facial contouring, Super Night Selfie 3.0, and circular flash for selfie. So this is perfect for people like me who would like to take selfie. The battery has 4000 mAh and support up to 40 watts thanks to Huawei Supercharge technology. It can charge your phone from 0 to 75% in just 30 minutes. Last but not least, the phone is pre-installed with the Pegasus engine as well, which means you can download anything from there, for example, Facebook, TikTok, WhatsApp. You can directly search the apps in the Pedal Search, but the most convenient way is add the widget to your homepage and you can start to search your favorite apps on it. I think for the price of 1,999 ringgit, I really think that is quite worth it because it has a great camera setup and the 40-watt supercharge is amazing. So that's it for today. My name is Deborah, not Deborah. Please remember that and hit the like and subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye!